Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time. How we gonna be drawing together? In this video, we're going to draw an ice cream truck. First, draw two circles for the wheels and then connect them. Draw another lines on the other sides of the wheels. And we're gonna start building the front part of the ice cream truck like this, up and then to the right and go straight down. And now the back part, just go to the right and down and connect. Now we're gonna draw the giant ice cream display just like this, and the cone, and then we connect the display with the ice cream truck and the pattern of the cone just like this one, and then the cherry on the top of the ice cream. Then draw the sprinkle, the chocolate sprinkle. Next we're gonna draw the canopy of the counter just like a trapezoid shape, and then the decoration for the canopy, and the counter is a rectangle shape. Draw the lines at the bottom of the car and also the back light and the front light, the side mirror and the window. Draw a small rectangle for the handle and also the decorations on the ice cream truck. Don't forget the details on the canopy and two small circles inside the wheels. Now we are ready to color. Let's do it. I'm coloring the ice cream truck purple, pink and blue. For the canopy, it's gonna be pattern of purple and pink, and the counter will be dark pink. As usual, the window is light blue with the detailed dark blue lines. For the ice cream, I'm using pale brown, and for the cone, dark brown for the pattern, and then mix it with pale brown. A red for the cherry and some of the sprinkle and the backlight, green for the sprinkle and also blue and pink, yellow for the front light and also gray and black for the wheels. Now it's done. It's very pretty, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.